So guys, this is another vlog and we are going to
Chala.
कहाँ जा रहे शॉन बता?
Chalao.
तेज की बोल.
Chalal. Hopefully we get a good sunset, bro.
हाँ,
Fingers crossed.
we will. This is day 2. और guys यहाँ के cafes इतने beautiful है ना. Look at these cafes, guys. So really beautiful cafes. Look at these cafes, guys. These are like the riverside cafes. और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं अपने second destination के लिए Chalal village. This is the riverside view. And we are tracking. यहाँ पे ऑफ रोडिंग है, थोड़ा ऑफ रोड्स है, समथिंग लाइक दिस एक प्रॉपर रोड नहीं है. एंड दिस इज़ द शॉर्टेस्ट हाइक दैट यू कैन फाइंड इन कसौल. शॉर्ट हाइट है. द पीपल हु कैन नॉट go up in the mountains, they should definitely go here. They should check out Chalal. It's beautiful, guys. People even can go by their own vehicle here. See, he was about to slip. They have this way here, that way here, and this is the way to jungle जहाँ पे छोटी सी बच्ची जा रही है. दाइफाक चला गया जंगल में बोतल लेके. Oi, don't spoil the nature, okay? So guys, while we are waiting for Daifang, me और Sean हम लोग यहाँ पे एक rest point पे बैठे हुए हैं. This is like in the middle of the jungle, guys. Look at the woods, you know, around us. Surrounding is beautiful. This place is gonna be beautiful. This place has a beautiful sunset also. So I will show you guys, you know, how the sunset looks like from here. Plus, we're gonna have crazy fun here. So guys, we have finally reached Chalal. अभी हम लोग कोक वगैरह ले रहे हैं. बाकी हमने सारा सामान ले लिया है. So this is actually the way. हमें यहाँ से एंट्री होती है Chalal की. So if you ever come, guys, this is the way. You have to come straight from here. Yeah. Guys, Chalal का रास्ता देखो, ये ऊपर जाता है. Guys, Chalal has a beautiful sunset view, you know. शाम को मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा टाइम स्लैप में सनसेट का कैसे यहाँ पे. And look at their cafes over here. ये पूरा हॉस्टल है guys इन लोगों का, देखो. It's very beautiful. और रात को तो guys ये और भी ज़्यादा beautiful होता है because they light up the whole entire thing over here. Sean, it looks very beautiful, man, at night. I'm telling you. रात को अगर तू एक walk पे आएगा ना यहाँ पे, you're gonna love the walk.
I'm waiting for it.
You can do the walk to walk and you can do talk to walk. Let's go. Guys, आपको मैं छलाल का ब्रिज दिखाता हूँ. Look at this. It's a very small bridge. यहाँ गांव के लोग का ब्रिज है, देखो ऊपर. This is the view. This is the Chalal bridge. Looks like this. Now we are getting into real Chalal, guys. यहाँ से एक छोटी सी नदी है नीचे. अभी गाइस छलाल का ब्रिज क्रॉस करते हुए हम तीनों दोस्त चल रहे हैं अपनी मंजिल की तरफ. एंड वी आर गोना रीच देयर वेरी सून, गाइस, वेरी सून. I'll keep you updated. Meantime, look at the cafes over here. They have freaking Tibetan flags. This is the cafe we have decided to stay here. Let me ask the room prices here. Let's see, guys. जय हो गणेश भगवान जी. Let's go and check out, man.
Good, yeah, not bad. This is better.
So guys, we finally found our accommodation here, and ये हम लोगों का room है. It's a very beautiful room, you know. This is how we actually expected, you know, that our room should be like. But मैं आपको full tour देता हूँ रूम का. पर्दे हैं, यहाँ पे एक डबल बेड है और यहाँ पे एक नीचे सिंगल बेड है. Where I'm gonna sleep here in the single bed. The guys will be here. And so guys, ये तो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया पूरा रूम. Look at this now outside. Here. So I will show you guys. यहाँ पे reggae vibe है, थोड़ी रास्ता vibe है. But it's beautiful, man. I like the vibe. Sean, what do you think, man?
Yeah, I like it too, man.
You liked it?
This is the best location to see the sun.
You're getting too much sun, man. You started getting tanning also.
Really?
उसका face कितना red हो गया. Started getting tanning, man. Already, I also started getting tanning now. मेरी भी tanning हो रही है बहुत ज़्यादा. But it is what it is, man.
We can say we came here to get tan.
Yes, because we hardly get tan.
Yes, we hardly get to see the sun.
Guys, मेरे को यहाँ से आपको नीचे का पूरा view दिखाता हूँ. I'll show you the view, okay? नीचे यहाँ पे कितना अच्छा लगता है. ये हम लोग का कैफे है. They have a pool table. This is how it goes from here. यहाँ पे एक रूम है, फ्रंट साइड. With the bamboo cloth, you have the bamboo cloth also here. This is the one we're gonna drink. So guys, we are finally enjoying the sunset with Taifang, with Sean. Everybody's seeing the sunset, guys. Let me show you how it looks like. Look at the sunset, guys. ऐसे में होगा sunset, and look at the reflection over there. Man, this is a magical feeling, man. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Guys, look at the view, man. The sunset view from all the way from here till here. These are the magical mountains, or we have the camps also over here. Guys, you guys think it's 10 p.m. right now, but no, it's 6 o'clock right now, and we are going to where?
Kasol for the
Hell
night stroll.
yeah. Going from Chalal till Kasol, it's a crazy vibe when there's no electricity. देखो अभी generator का sound आ रहा होगा. There's no electricity right now.
I think we'll try Sidhu as well. I have never tried that.
Me also have never tried it.
Let's go
man.
and try it.
Let's try the Sidhu, man. Sidhu, guys. If you know Sidhu, comment. It looks like momo, but it's not momo. It's a big momo where 3 people can eat it. Okay. Guys, अभी रात के 7 बज रहे हैं और हम लोग कसौल जा रहे हैं. अभी is gonna be the best one, man. But guys, look at this. कीचड़ बहुत ज़्यादा है. The Chinese lights are working all the way from China. My friend Sean brought the freaking Chinese lights. Hell yes, let's go.
But what I was thinking, वहाँ सिर्फ वो दारू and क्या नाम है उसका? What was that name of that dish?
Sidhu?
सिद्धू खाने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है?
Yep.
So यहाँ पे मतलब किसी को बोल के जाते हैं, मतलब खाना हमारे लिए बना देने के लिए, दाल चावल कुछ भी.
बोला है सुबह 4 बजे तक खाना मिलेगा.
इनको मिलता है. चलो ठीक है फिर, हो गया.
4 बजे तक खाना मिलेगा guys. We don't have to worry about it. Let's go. Chinese light के साथ.
मालाना वाला ब्रिज आ गया ब्रो.
और देखो शॉन का चाइनीज लाइट ऐसा चल रहा है ना ब्रिज पे गाइस. दिस इज द सेम ब्रिज
शेरपा आ गया.
जो छला
काफी गारा पी के देख रहा है
जो
कितना आगे आगे था.
जो छलाल का ब्रिज भाग रहा है. ये शेरपा वाला पावर आ गया गाइस. लुक एट हिम. ओके ऑल द टाइम ये देखो डॉगी यहाँ पे. ऑल द टाइम ही वाज द वन हु वाज बीइंग लेजी. ओके और अभी देखो ऐसा चल रहा है कि जैसे कि यही शेरपा है. पूरा माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ देगी. तो भाई लुक एट हिज वॉक मैन. ये देखो गाइस. We are about to reach to Kasol right now and we are still on the way. मेरे पीछे है Daifang. Front पे हमारा Sherpa. We have our Sherpa on the way. So we'll show you guys when we reach to Kasol, okay? It's gonna be very nice. Light it up, man. Light it up over here. Let's see what it is written here. Damn. Here देखो.
Wabi Sabi concept or aesthetic and worldwide simply and interior.
What it is? Nobody's here, guys. Beautiful spot for the dating. Look at this.
Chinese light bro.
This is अरे Daifang, you were the one who's carrying the Chinese light. What the fuck?
वो एक्सपेक्ट का ये फोटोनिक्स का ही.
Guys, देखो यहाँ पर पूरा अंधेरा है. And we're almost about to reach Kasol, okay? Look at this. ये lights दिख रही है आपको?
बोल यार इसमें अभी हमें बहुत चलना है.
नहीं अभी. Sean, you're gonna stand in the red light. Hold on. Guys, look at this. Sean the Dracula.
Mark shot.
Hell yeah. And the red light. Look at this. We're about to reach. Sean the Sherpa is guiding us.
This is like the luxury cottages at the right hand side.
Sean पूरा झूम गया guys. Look at this. Look at the view guys. यहाँ पे पूरा नदी है. We are walking here. One mistakes, we're gonna go down, okay? Look at this. We have the freaking torch and we are walking towards Kasol. Moon. Defang. It's not that difficult, okay? We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it over there. एक और reach to that छलाल और जो कसौल का ब्रिज होता है ना उसके बीच में हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं. This is a bridge, okay? Sean the Sherpa is guiding us. See guys, look at the flow. हम लोग पहुंच गए कसौल. Guys, we finally made it. We reached Kasol. इतना डार्क के बाद. See, all of us. तो सिद्धू खाने जा रहे हैं. वो देखो.
Let's get the wine.
भाई जी सिद्धू है आपके पास? खत्म? अरे यार. Bro, it's over, man. They have momos only. Guys, इन लोगों के पास सिद्धू खत्म हो चुका है देखो. This is the place, okay, where you can get सिद्धू. We are going to get the wine right now. Hopefully, अगर वो शॉप ओपन होगा तो we can get the wine. Sean, can we get the wine?
Huh?
Yeah, he doesn't know.
Yes, of
Where?
course, man.
How do you know that? Why are you saying of course?
I'm feeling positive about it.
We are positive.
Yeah.
Guys, always be positive, man. That's how it works, okay? Don't come on, Sean.
Harish, look over here, man. This is Namaste Dhaba. Okay, this is the worst dhaba in Kasol. I had a chicken rice over here.
Like a shit, bro.
It was
Even
full
me,
of
I had
spice. Full of spice, man.
Guys, never eat it over here, okay?
Don't ever come to this.
No, and don't ever come to this thing. Okay, we're going to get the local wine over here. Let's see how it is. And then we have to go all the way back to our hotel. It's gonna be halal. We found the wine shop, guys. इधर पे इजरायली कैफे है और यहाँ पे हमारा सिद्धू बनने वाला है. गरम कर रहे हैं.
Steamy, that you know.
Why do you say steamy, man, all the time? So guys, this is the Sidhu spot, and यहाँ पे हम लोग सिद्धू खाने वाले हैं. And if you guys don't know what is Sidhu, Sidhu is a Himachali dish, which is exactly like momo, but it's not momo. It's like bigger than momo.
Let's try.
Guys, this is a Sidhu, okay? Bigger momo. Sean, this is here Sidhu.
Let's see. This is my first time. Okay, I have never tried this. So looks good. Let's see how it tastes.
Try,
Let's
Sean.
try. I don't know what chutney this is.
This is a normal momo chutney, yaar. Good?
Very flavorful.
Really?
Yeah.
Sean, the builder. It's your turn now.
It's heavy. The flavor is really heavy.
किसको अरे शॉन देखो तो किस किस को मैसेज करता गाइस ये देखो डेस्परेसी देखो
तेरा ही हुआ है, ठीक है.
तो देखो हमारा शॉन द बिल्डर रिव्यू देगा.
It's so doughy, man. But the chutney is good, man. So this is how we do it. First we feast, then we roll.
The flavor is very strong.
It is. काफी हुआ है.
हम लोगों ने सिर्फ एक लिया. This was a good idea.
हाँ.
I really like it, guys.
हाँ ठीक है. Like I cannot. I don't want to go for the second one.
हाँ ना? Bamboo Club.
Bombo Clat. What is it?
Bambo Club.
तू बोल यार.
Bamboo Club. Sidhu all the way from Jamaica, man.
Guys, we had a Sidhu. Didn't like it. It's not that good, okay? People talk about Sidhu. Nah, it was not that good. ये देखो. This is a proper local Kasol wine shop, okay? Look at this. Hell yeah. क्या अल्कोहल परसेंटेज कितना होगा इसमें? 14 होंगे.
सब में 14 है.
सब में
ये
14.
900 और ये प्लम वाला 550. Okay, plum.
So which one we gonna take in, man?
Plum is the least one. Rodo is meat, and this is.
एक मिनट. आपने मतलब सब ट्राई किया है? हाँ मेरे को सारे थोड़े सावर में रहती है रेड में ना. ये वाली ना. हाँ वो वाला थोड़ा स्वीटर उसमें स्वीटर साइड में होगा. आई थिंक मतलब ये वाला बेटर रहेगा.
But I need a red wine, man.
हाँ दिस इज रेड.
It's red ना.
ये भी स्वीटर साइड में होगा. अच्छा.
Let's take this one only, bro. I don't like sweet. अभी पीने के लिए.
ये तो हम लोग के लिए तो ठीक है.
ऐसा ये हम लोग अपना
दो
अलग
लेंगे.
से रखेंगे ना और मैं अपने लिए 2 ले रहा हूँ. तुम लोग बताओ कितना ले रहे हो अपने लिए.
Personally, you're taking 2.
Yes.
Then one is fine for us. We'll
Yes.
bring this on the way, no?
So I'm personally taking. Sean, you recommend me this one, ना?
This is sweet, but
This
हाँ
is
स्वीट और एक नॉर्मल स्वीट है. कौन सा वाला?
I would.
There's a peach
इसका
one.
कितना कॉस्ट है पीच वाले का? 580. अच्छा. हाँ ये GH से है ये Wonder Wines.
ये वाला स्वीट है ना 14%. ये वाला स्वीट है और ये वाला भी
Tangy.
ये normal है beach ना non beach.
This is like the original one.
It is the original one, man. I took the original. मतलब ठीक है, you pay for this, I'll pay for this. Okay?
इसका कितना है?
900.
But Harish, you know what?
Uh-huh.
It was good idea not to track. Just come chill.
I
It was
knew
a good
it.
idea, bro. I was feeling कि like I just wanted to come here and chill ना. Have drink, खाना
Yes.
पीना. वो वाला ना वो fulfill हो गया पता है?
Even Sean को देखो ना, look at the view, man, and the Sean. ये पर Chinese light चमका के. Guys, यहाँ पे रात हो रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे रात के 11 बज चुके हैं, पर नहीं. We came back from Kasol and we're going back to our hostel right now. It's not a hostel, okay? It's a hotel. ये
Get this car soon.
टैक्सी स्टैंड यहाँ का. दाइफा का ड्रीम कार है. दाइफा, what do you say? Right now,
Car, man.
say it's 2025. Do you think that you'll get this car one day?
1 year. Give me 1.5 years. Who
Bro,
knows? Something different might come up.
वैसे तो I also want to get a Hilux, okay, but if not Hilux,
No,
then
not Hilux.
I'll get a Jimny.
1.5 year. Sean, remember this, okay? 1.5 year.
Okay.
My boy is gonna get the Hilux, okay? Not the Hilux, sorry, Jimmy.
Jimny.
Jimmy, guys. So, guys, we finally reached our hotel back. बहुत लंबी journey थी, guys.
Okay. It was so adventurous.
It was adventurous, guys.
I can go back again and again.
अभी हम लोग बहुत crazy party में जाने वाले, guys. What are you looking for?
That cable.
Guys, we still have more, okay? We're gonna come back with that and we're gonna
Not just
remember
more,
this the
we have a
rest
lot
of our life, okay? Good morning, guys. This is the last day we have, man. Let's see the time. Oh, the time now is 8:39, guys, as you can see. Oh, man, look who woke up, man, early. Bro, क्या कर रहा तू सुबह सुबह?
Game खेल रहा हूँ.
Guys, ये देखो सुबह सुबह he's busy playing Shadow Fight. Just ignore this top part here and देखो ये हमारा room है. Mr. Daifang is still sleeping. Oh, guys, let me show you the view from here. This is the morning view from the room here. Wow. Let me guys show you outside. Oh. Wow. This is the morning, guys, from here. This is the place we stayed in. We had a crazy fun last night. Wow. And this is our room. We are gonna miss this room, guys. This was the best room that we have got. And the guys are up now. Bye. You guys are all set?
Yo.
We're gonna have a breakfast now, guys. So we'll go probably outside. We'll sit outside in the sun. We'll have our coffee and we'll start the day. So good morning, everyone. This is the last day we have today, man. And this is the saddest part that we have to
back.
do. We
As
have
usual, busy day, office day, every day.
This is the worst part, you know. But we actually had fun. We had the best time here. And this is the room we are gonna miss because we have two windows. यहाँ का view एक number crazy है और जो मेरे सामने वाली window वहाँ का भी बहुत crazy view है. So guys, आज का ही वो last day है. And yeah, we all have to go one day. You know, we have to get back to our work. दोबारा life start करेंगे, same चीज़ें होंगी. But ठीक है, we had fun. This was the fun part, and I hope आप लोगों को भी मेरा vlog में मज़ा आया होगा. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, guys, and comment as well if you can. Damn, what happened? Mr. Sean playing Shadow Fight early morning. This is his morning routine. Boom. That's KO, guys. That's a crazy KO. And
Hangover remedy.
damn. और मुझे भी remedy चाहिए यार. I need that remedy as well. Guys, let's see here the morning view and Mr. Daifang के साथ हम करेंगे 1-1 pool session. Let's go. So guys, this is gonna be the craziest moment now. So let's see what's gonna happen. It can change or it cannot change the game. So let's see what happens. Sean,
क्या
Emergency meeting.
क्या हुआ?
We have to talk.
Let's talk.
We have to. पहले आ जाओ, बैठ जाओ. We have to talk. तो हम लोगों ने कुछ डिसाइड किया.
क्या?
We have decided something.
Are we extending?
Yes.
सही है क्या?
Yes. So you tell me now, if we cancel our buses now, how much refund can you get it? There's a policy, no? If you cancel it 12 hours before, you can get the refund. अगर if you're in the loss of 500, that's fine. We can split ना. Loss तो but और हम लोग यहाँ पे जाके morning में we can talk to this guy Monday. आज हम लोग ध्रुव को inform कर देंगे that we are not coming. It's fine, yeah. Nobody is gonna give a shit, man. Guys, यही moment है. And these moments in life doesn't come back again.
अच्छा, अगर if we are extending, then what's the plan?
पहले first you tell me now. First you tell me about the refund process. You tell me how much refund can you get?
So cancellation window has passed. Okay,
ठीक है.
we won't be able to cancel it. Let me see if we can change the trip date or not.
We will not get that option. Can we?
मैं वही check कर रहा हूँ.
Let's see what happens now. If we can do it. If we can do it, we can extend it. If we can't, then we have to go.
अच्छा.
New stuff ना कुछ shopping वॉपिंग करते हैं. Let's do all the kind of new stuff that we can do. So guys, we have finally decided that we're going to extend, for one day, man. We're going to extend for one day.
कौन से day को हम निकलेंगे फिर?
So see the timing is going to be next day, not this day.
evening.
Monday evening.
Monday evening निकलेंगे.
हाँ, Monday evening.
Sunday, okay. Sunday 30th November, 6:55 p.m. का.
Right, but we are doing it for 1st December now.
Select 1st December selected. कि 2 दिसंबर का करें.
नहीं bro. Not 2 December, man. इतना नहीं यार bro. One day I can extend. That's fine.
तो थर्ड वाला रोल ले लेना. थर्ड वाला. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ.
ये बोल रहा हूँ मैं, ये वाला ऐसा होगा ना, like जो भी
Do it. Freaking let's do it, man.
चलो मैं book now पे वो कर रहा हूँ.
Book now, but finally Sean is going to click and boom.
Use 2 fingers, bro.
The moment of truth.
गया.
Yeah. We are fucking extending, guys. We are extending. Finally extending one more day. One more day, man. All because of Mr. Shandeep Rana. We have extended, man. For one more day, guys. In life, you will not get this opportunity. I'm telling you. You can get 1,000 jobs. You can get, you can make money again. You can do a lot of things. But you cannot live the same moment again. So this is the reason we all three decided today that we're going to extend for one day. Just for one more day.
कर ही दिया तो कैब कैंसिल करने.
Yeah, let's go, man. Let's do it. Chalo, let's get up and explore करते हैं. नीचे भी we have to inform. So guys, we have finally extended and now we are going to have a breakfast, man, with this beautiful morning. Look at this. The guys are ready, guys are up.
Yeah, bro.
And let's go, man. Let's have a nice freaking coffee. Shandeep Rana, our Sherpa is guiding the way.
तो चले क्या? We didn't explore this way, right?
Nah, bro, but there won't
right
be
now.
anything. Not right now.
We'll go.
We need to eat something right now first. So guys, this is the early morning. We're gonna go and have a nice breakfast. And this is the beautiful mountain view, guys. So finally, guys, we found a very beautiful spot. जहाँ पे हम लोग अपना breakfast करने वाले हैं. We are waiting for our coffee. ये देखो. This is the spot, and I'm gonna show you the view, man. Look at the view behind me, with the beautiful riverside, beautiful mountains. और यहाँ के local अचार दिखाता हूँ मैं तुम्हें. So Mr. Shandeep Rana will do it for us. Shandeep Rana, give us some information, man. What is this kind of achar?
Muli. First is
मूला को अचार. This is radish pickle. And
So
इसमें थोड़ा वो भी मिलाया हुआ है. क्या बोलते हैं?
लहसुन.
Garlic, हाँ.
So this is
लहसुन.
like the garlic and the radish achar.
This is again मूला का अचार. मूला and chili, green chili. मूला and
Chili.
green chili. All these are same. मूला
So all
green
these are same, guys. These are actually handmade. So ये देखो. We have our coffee, and Daifang was craving for coffee, man. Since the time we came, and finally we have amazing
this
Himachali
coffee with the view.
Damn. Oh, damn. Look at this. The first sip of the coffee, man. With this view. Look at the view, man. Sean, what are you seeing, man? Look at this. Guys, look at this riverside. This is beautiful, guys. Look at this. Guys, यहाँ की सीढ़ियाँ. You have to be very careful, you know. Very, very careful. One wrong move and you're straight in the hospital. So, guys, be a little bit careful when you are coming to this side, and make sure don't go in the river, okay? Because the water is gonna be super cold. You see the Himalayas are, guys. This is the real Himalayan water. You can actually drink it also, but again, you cannot even trust it because ऊपर से इतना सारा कूड़ा वगैरह भी आता है. So make sure you filter before you drink it or you boil it. I know you're not gonna do it. आप फिर भी जाके वहाँ से बोतल लोगे. So I mean, when you're in the river side, make sure you come this side also. You know, you see the river, you see how beautiful it is. Just like Shandeep Rana, look at him over here. He's enjoying the view. Man. So guys, I just found this beautiful location. Look at the house. Looks amazing, guys. क्या जगह है यार ये. ऐसा घर हो अपनी लाइफ में. एक घर बनाओ नदी के किनारे, पूरी ज़िंदगी भर वहीं रहो. मैं तो अपना फ्यूचर का यही प्लान है गाइस. I'm gonna go to the mountains. So ये तो थी पहाड़ों की बात गाइस. अब मैं अपनी बात करता हूँ. मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में चाहता हूँ कि एक नदी के सामने एक घर हो अच्छा सा, या पहाड़ों में कहीं ब्यूटीफुल सा घर हो, जो कि मेरा प्लान है फ्यूचर में. So I was thinking maybe in future, you know, I'll go back home, maybe, you know, set up everything, or work from home. अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो work from home भी I will do it. But with work from home, I want to make sure that I live in a very peaceful life, guys, and this is what I like the whole entire, you know, whole entire my life. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, this is. So guys, I'll tell you a very crazy story. अभी बताता हूँ क्या हुआ. अभी हम लोग walk कर रहे थे and we were not able to find the way कि कहाँ से ऊपर को जाए छलाल को. तो हमको एक beautiful सी नेपाली लड़की मिली. तो हमने शॉन को बोला कि शॉन, why don't you go and talk to her in Nepali. तो शॉन शर्मा गया. And the way he went to that girl, उसकी आंखों में जो प्यार था ना, guys, I cannot describe. I cannot describe, guys.
वो प्यार तेरे लिए था. वो प्यार हरीश के लिए था. प्यार और इसके बारे में पूछ रही थी. प्यार और प्याज दोनों.
Guys, I'm telling you, if Sean would have said ना जाने हो, तो वो लड़की तुरंत बैग पैक करके अपने हस्बैंड को छोड़ के अपने बच्चे के साथ शॉन के साथ सीधा दिल्ली चले जाती है. Honestly, I'm telling you, this was the best experience we just had now. Amazing. Now look at this side, guys. This looks amazing. गर्मियों में तो आपको नहाने में मजा आ जाएगा. With this woods, beautiful view. और ये देखो सर, ऐसा घर हो मस्त अपना एक छोटा सा नदी के सामने. और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में. जैसे हमारे मिस्टर संदीप राणा is enjoying the beauty right now, man. He's enjoying the nature like this. Mr. Sandeep Rana, do you want to say something about, you know, living a very peaceful life like this, you know, in future? Like, you know, living across the river, एक अच्छा सा छोटा सा घर हो और एक अच्छी सी beautiful सी नेपाली wife हो. So what do you want to say? Would you prefer that in future?
Absolutely, man.
Who would not prefer that,
Would
man?
not, exactly. Like, given a chance, okay, if I ever come back to Chalal, you see the property behind me? This one. I would like to come and stay here for the summer retreat. Yeah.
Same here, man. Summer retreat में यहाँ पे रहो और यहाँ पे fishing करो, guys. This is the perfect spot for fishing, you know.
Look at over here. This is the natural swimming pool you have over here.
Man,
look at here.
you can straight jump in from here directly over there, man. What else do you want? Look at this, guys. These kind of properties, guys, you can find, you know, in the middle of the jungle. अब ये यहाँ से start होगा. It will go like this, all the way up. And the best part, you know, guys, this is open 24/7, guys.
Siberian husky.
24/7.
Dude.
Siberian husky भी है, guys. वहाँ पे देखो. There's one Siberian husky over there. Let's go. अब यहाँ से देखो, guys. आगे दिखाता हूँ आपको मैं. चलते जाएंगे. Guys, now you can see. ये देखो, अगर यहाँ से सामान जाता है तो एक सामान यहाँ से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेजने के लिए ऐसे जाता है तारों से. And it can go all the way up that other side. देखना अभी जंगलों में. और वहाँ से सामान ऐसे आता है, गाइस. देखो, अगर किसी को अपना वहाँ से सामान भेजना होता है तो they can send it like this. So guys, I'm going to show you that way. I was telling you ना कि पहाड़ों में एक जगह से दूसरे जगह सामान कैसे बेचते हैं और वो ऐसे बेचते हैं, गाइस. देखो गाइस, ये रोपवे है पूरा, ये वहाँ तक जाता है जंगल तक. यहाँ पे हिमाचली डॉगीज भी होते हैं और वो सामने देखो उसमें सामान डालते हैं. ये सीधा वहाँ जाता है जंगलों के बीच में दूसरी जगह पे. तो किसी इंसान को यहाँ सामान भेज रहा हो, यहाँ से सामान लेगा और वो सीधा यहाँ से पिक करेगा, सीधा यहाँ कैफेज में जाएगा. So this is how it is, guys. And the AQI here, man, is 20 to 30, man. And imagine we are living in Delhi on freaking 300 to 400 AQI. I wonder that I will be able to breathe or not here when I go back. Here, I can actually breathe. There, nah, man. Nah. And even he was sick. We both were sick. And now we feel alive, coming here. Only for a few days, so at least I hope it extends a little bit of our life, just maybe 1 or 2%, which is enough. So guys, this is the last day and we are finally done with our track and we all are coming back from Chalal now. और ये guys हम अभी जहाँ पे खड़े हैं छलाल का legendary bridge है. So this bridge actually connects कसौल हमारे left side में और right side में हमारा छलाल के लिए रास्ता जा रहा है guys. So with this, now we are going back to Delhi in the evening and this is the end guys. Sean, you want to say something before we end this?
End of the fresh air for us.
Well, it was a very wonderful experience over here, and I would like to see you next time in our next journey.
So guys, then if you guys enjoyed watching my vlog, make sure you subscribe and
Like, subscribe and share.
otherwise we'll put the bottle straight away.
Toot.